So if you read the word problem up above, it says we're supposed to graph this function h of x to find out where the maximum height is obtained. Now there's a trick to find the maximum of a quadratic where you don't need to graph. It's by using this nifty little formula. X equals negative b divided by 2a. And the a is always the coefficient of x squared, b is always the coefficient of just x, and c is the number hanging out by himself. So if you plug those three things in, it looks like this, and then if you simplify, it rounds off to about 1.38. So that's where the maximum height is obtained. But the question, if you go back to it, specifically said to do it graphically. So you didn't necessarily need that formula. If you want to graph it, it should look like this. You should get a really tall parabola, and it reaches that maximum height of 30 at about, 1.8. You can't be too exact here by graphing. So if you need an exact solution, you need to find the maximum of a quadratic, which is what I did over here. But again, it said to graph, so if you graph the quadratic in the graphing calculator, you can see the maximum value is something way up here, and that occurs at about 1.8.